can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Tron. Over the last 1 month, Tron is up 64%. Over the last 1 year, Tron has seen a 161% increase in price. But the last 1 week, we've seen a huge dump in the altcoin market. Tron has gone down by 29.7%. So how high can Tron still go? How high can Tron still go in this bull market cycle? Is the top in for Tron. We'll take a look at Tron US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Can we continue pumping to the moon? We'll take a look at Tron's performance against Bitcoin, its performance against Ethereum, and finally, we'll look at Tron's market cap, which has seen a huge pump over the last few weeks. We saw Tron's market cap even getting to as high as the $37 billion region. Can Tron's market cap hit $50 billion before the end of this bull market cycle? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. If you're new to this channel, you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. Tron has been having a nice time over the last few weeks. Tron has gotten to new all-time highs. If you held through all the chaos, congratulations. It's been a very long ride. We saw Tron launch in the 2017 bull market. We saw it getting to new all-time highs, pumping to as high as the $0.3 level. But when the bear market came, Tron had a huge dump to Goblin Town. We saw Tron losing more than 97% of its value. Guys, the altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. You have to be prepared for this kind of huge volatility in both directions. Because we see 90% dumps in the altcoin market, that's why we can see 1,000% moves in the altcoin market. And since November of 2020, when Tron was trading around the $0.0079 level, we have seen Tron get to as high as the $0.27 level. That was the end of April 2021. Then it had another bear market where it dumped Goblin Town, losing around 70% of its value. And right now, in 2024, we have seen Tron get to as high as the $0.42 region, rallying by more than 5,200% from the COVID sell-off. But the $1 million question is that all for Tron in this bull market cycle? Because as Tron was pumping, XRP was pumping, Algo was pumping, all the Dino coins was pumping, and historically, anytime all these coins are pumping, that has always been the end of a bull market cycle, which makes me to believe, maybe just maybe, we are at the end of the bull market cycle, maybe just maybe, we're at T minus 1 month from the end of the bull market. All coins dumping 30% to the regular occurrence in the cryptocurrency market, but a lot of market participants that rushed in the last few months are just experiencing their first big crash in the cryptocurrency market. Believe me not, the 30% dump in the 1 week is not the biggest crash you will see in the market. You are going to experience 50% daily drops, 70% daily drops, maybe even as high as a 90% dump through the course of a bear market. After Tron got to that $0.42 level, we've had a pullback. That pullback has taken us back to 0.25. That pullback has been a 40% decline in price. Maybe just maybe Tron is coming back to retest the previous all-time highs. Maybe just maybe Tron wants to retest the 2021 highs. But if we're coming back to retest the 2021 highs from where Tron is trading, we should expect another decline, another 30+% decline. That's very possible, and that will still be very bullish. But guys, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you take some profits off the table. The bear market is coming. After the pump comes the dump. And if you take a look at sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, we've stayed in extreme greed over the last 1 month. Right now, we're slipping into greed, which means more fear is coming to the market for people to go from extreme greed to greed. At some point in time, you see neutral sentiment to the market, then we'll start entering that fear territory. We've seen the altcoin season index tells us we're in altcoin season. I've been in an altcoin month also. We've been lucky this cycle. We experienced both an altcoin season and an altcoin month at the same time, which saw a lot of altcoins going parabolic. But right now, the trend is changing. If you don't know what an altcoin season is, guys, if 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days, it is alt season. And right now, we're not in alt season. Right now, altcoins have done better than Bitcoin. They're on the downstretch. When the market is dumping, guys, Bitcoin outperforms the altcoin market. Bitcoin is not as volatile as these altcoins. But the good side is that when the market is pumping, these altcoins also pump harder than Bitcoin because they are more volatile than Bitcoin. With volatility comes the price to pay, and that price is they're going to get swings in both directions, huge swings to the upside, huge swings to the downside. Let's take a look at some details about Tron Network. Tron has a market cap right now of $23 billion, fully diluted market cap of $23 billion, and a total supply of 86 billion Tron tokens. Tron all-time high happened on the 4th of December 2024. 7 days ago, Tron traded for as high as $0.44. Right now, it's down 38% from its all-time highs. You want to get some Tron tokens for yourself? You can get it on Binance, on Bybit, on OKX, on BitGet, on Kraken, on KuCoin, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Tron tokens right now. While we're expecting that final pump for Tron, guys, it's altcoin season, and we're going to see that final pump. Not just that, Tron is a decentralized blockchain-based operating system developed by the Tron Foundation. It was launched in 2017. Originally, Tron tokens were ARC-based tokens deployed on Ethereum, but a year later, they were moved to their own network. And if you look at Tron's performance against Bitcoin, it has done well this cycle against Bitcoin. A lot of altcoins have done poorly, but Tron has been one of those few altcoins from 2017 that held its own. Even though we have not set any considerable high against Bitcoin, we saw Tron at some point in time in this cycle rallying back to where it was trading in August of 2020 against Bitcoin, which is a very, very outrageous feat, which is a very, very wonderful thing to happen. But right now, we have seen a huge pullback for Tron against Bitcoin. Right now, we have seen Tron go down by more than 50% against Bitcoin. In the coming days and coming weeks, we might see that one final exit pump for Tron against Bitcoin, also for Tron against Ethereum. Tron has outperformed both Bitcoin and Ethereum this cycle. The last few days saw Tron rallying back to where we were trading in September of 2020 against Ethereum. Even though it has also had a pullback, remember guys, the smart players that bought Tron when it was low against both Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to be selling for some sweet profit. If you miss that trade, you don't want to be FOMOing in at the top, because one thing is sure, the dump is always going to come, and the dump is always going to come after the pump. So you want to be buying when the dump is around, so that when the pump comes, you will be getting some sweet profits. Your number one job in the cryptocurrency market is to make some money. You want to buy low, you want to sell high. You don't want to be the person holding the bag at the end of a bull market. I believe we're very, very close to that end of that bull market. That's why you should be thinking of an exit plan. That's why you should be thinking of your profit-taking strategy. A lot of people just enter the market thinking we're going to be pumping to the moon forever. It doesn't work that way, guys. Everything that goes up eventually start coming down at some point in time. We saw Tron's market cap rallying above the $19.6 billion level, even getting to as high as $37 billion. That's an all-time high for Tron. Tron has gone a long way from the bottom of the 2020 bear market when it was trading around $500 million. We have seen Tron since that time rally up by more than 6,700% on its market cap chart. Guys, drop it out in the comment section. How high do you see Tron going in the coming days and coming weeks? I personally believe 2025 is very, very bearish for the altcoin market. 2024 will be the time to take some profits off the table. If you think 2025 is bullish, how high do you think Tron will go by the end of the bull market, by the end of 2025? If it's bearish, why are you selling for some sweet profit? Where is your own take profit target? I want to hear your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.